Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial for Windows PC based users how to set up you guys own debugger environment. It's just not by default setup Windows installation of Qt, so you need to set it up. And first, you need to do three things. First one, you need to make sure your Qt installation has a Windows CDB debuggers settings support. And second, you need to have a Windows 10 SDK in case you're using Windows 10. Other versions, you may want to use a different SDKs though, but it's mostly about the same, but only the version issue. So you can find the similar SDK for your version of Windows. So first, Windows 10, they open up this link. This will be provided via the description of this video or in the Canvas site. You can just download it. You go there and download the install SDK. After downloading and clicking that SDK file, you will see this. That is install the Windows Software Development Kit version Windows 10 blah blah blah. It says like a 2.9 gigs. Oh, freaking out! But no worries. You can set it up later on. So you can reduce numbers like 400 megabytes or something. So like send anonymous usage data if you are sensitive to the privacy. Say no. Otherwise yes, and accept and uncheck everything but debugging tools for Windows, blah blah blah, all on check. And there you go. You have only debugging tools for Windows that only takes like the 436 megabytes, which is cool. And it says like it is asking a user permission sort of. You may want to say yes, and then debugging tools and installing it. It's a pretty quick if you have a good broadband connection. Otherwise, still it takes like a few minutes or something. So it's gonna be fine. And welcome to the Windows SDK and close. That's it. And next one is for you to have Windows CDB support. So if you go to the Qt in your installed programs, then you have uninstall Qt. So no worries, you are not actually uninstalling the Qt, but it's actually open up the Qt maintenance tool and you say next. And no remove, but add or remove components, and then make sure you have the CDB debugger support. Right? So no focus on here. Preview is just preview beta testing. So the Qt here is partially checked with the MSVC 2017 64-bit. This is totally fine for you. In a developer and designer tools. So like here you see Qt Creator and Qt Creator 481 CDB debugger supports. If it is already checked, you're good. Otherwise, you make sure you check it, and if you make any changes, then you need to say next. So like after next, then you can make sure you have the Qt Creator CDB debugger support, and those two, Windows SDK and this CDB debugger support, you can set it up. So come to the Qt main window and the option tools and options, and you have debuggers. If you haven't set it up, then there's nothing. But you can add one by new debugger. But path here, what you're supposed to do is in Windows and then program files x86 and go down and Windows kits and 10. And you have BIN and you have X64 because we are working on MSVC 2017 X64. No, 1 second. Not a bean. Oh, 1 second. Debuggers, right. Windows kits and 10 and debuggers and X64 and you have CDB, right? This one. So Windows kits 10, debuggers, X64 and CDB.exe. Then you have set it up new debugger, but on MSVC 2017 64-bit X64 is gonna be fine. and say apply, and you have your own MSVC 2017 x64 CDB debugger, and compilers and Qt versions, those are pretty much cool. And then you have auto detected at least one the kit working, and here you see your debugger setting is says none. So here you check MSVC 2017 x64 exactly what you set up, already set up in the debuggers, right? And then you change it. So if you see your debugger is here, then you're good to go. And okay, you say okay. Yep, okay, here we go. And I think you're all ready. And here this is my just FYI the example code, and then breakpoint setup is something like this, and you just click this and you have the correct lab 6 I mean the yeah correct setup, and then you run it with a bug. It means like a debug, and then what you see is that your execution is the post exactly at the breakpoint, and you can do whatever you'd like to do. And this one is actually showing the code stack of your program. This one is doing all of, and the main.cpp called main windows cpp. And if you work on any other programs, then you can do that. So like yeah, so here is automatic sort of the what is it the value checkers around for the debuggers. Q main window, your models, and all the other things are already set up. And this is probably yeah, new evaluate expression for step-by-step debugging. So I mean, yeah, debugging is the one thing you guys can really take a benefit of the run times. So if you'd like to do that, then please go for it. And this is the quick tutorial how you set up your debugger in Qt with a Windows-based machine. Thank you.